Hello and hi everyone. Namaste and welcome back to our channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. So today's topic is learning sight words. Now, what are sight words? Sight words are the words that children are taught to recognize on sight so that they could instantly recognize the words whenever they see. Now, why sight words are important? Sight words help your child to become faster and more fluent reader. And they don't have to pause to blend its letter sounds together. And they also don't have to think about the spelling rules. Now, I am going to show you step by step how to teach sight words to your child. So let's get started. So before teaching sight words, it is important that your child is able to recognize and name the lowercase and uppercase letter of the alphabet before learning sight words. So now I'm going to show you the techniques how to teach sight words. So step 1, one word at a time. So don't show too many words, they can get confused very easily. Step 2, see and say. So how you are going to do it? So you can see here, I am using the word one. Now see and say. So ask your child to see the word first, okay? And then ask them to say. But before that, you have to show how to do it, okay? That's very important. One. Now ask your child to see the word and then say it again. One. Yes. So what can you see? One. Yes. Very good. Step 3. Spell and then read. Again, how you are going to do it? This is the word one. So ask your child to spell O-N-E. O-N-E. One. O-N-E. One. So ask your child to spell and then read. Okay? O-N-E. One. So in this way you are going to do it. Step 4. Ask them to point. So how you are going to do it? So look at the word. Ask them to point. O-N-E. Okay? O-N-E. One. O-N-E. One. Yes. Number 5, correction. So if your child makes a mistake, so how will you correct it? Suppose, so if your child is pronouncing the word ow, okay? Ow. So how will you correct it? First of all, praise them that you did a good job. Now listen the word very carefully. How I am pronouncing it. O-N-E. One. It's not own. It's one. O-N-E. One. Not own. So in this way you are going to correct it if they make a mistake. Number 6. You can also tap. For example, O-N-E. One. O-N-E. One. Okay? Or you can also show it like that. O-N-E. one. O and E, one. So in this way you can show different techniques to teach sight words. So now I am going to show you 50 basic sight words to teach your child. So start with 1 and 2 letter sight words first. A, I, A, M, E, me, Y, my, W, E, V, N, O, no, O, F, off, U, P, up, G, O, go, I, S, is, T, O, to, A, S, as, A, T, at, D, O, do, O, R, or, I, T, it, I, F, if, I, N, in, B, E, B. So now you have to practice using 1 and 2 letter sight words. But don't go with too many words in a day. At least start with 1 word or 2 words in a day. So now we are going to practice 3 letter sight words. T, H, E, the. A, N, D, and. O, N, E, one. T, W, O, two. W, H, Y, Y. W, H, O, who. O, U, T, out. H, I, M, him. H, E, R, her. Y, O, U, you. D, A, Y, they. L, O, T, lot. L, E, T, let. W, A, Y, way. A, L, L, all. C, A, N, can. F, O, R, for. S, E, E, see. P, U, T, put. B, Y, E, buy. So you have to practice, practice and practice 3 letter sight words. So now we are going to practice 4 letter sight words. T, H, I, S, this. T, H, A, T, that. H, A, V, E, have. W, I, Wit. WILL, will. YOUR, your. FROM, from. THEY, day. KNOW, no. WANT, want. So now you have to practice and practice. So now you can help your child to make a sight word list and hang them around their study room and ask them to practice daily. So I hope आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर पसंद आया है then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more new videos. तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, with lots of love, see you in my next video.